Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Creative Venture Group. They're looking for a sales associate. This pays up to $110,000 a year. But before we get started, please hit that like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm find more people like you trying to find the best remote work that's available for them. So if you do that, it will help us a ton. So right here, we have the Creative Venture Group. They're looking for a sales associate. We're a Creative Venture Group and we're a leader in the contactless payments industry. We have experienced rapid growth and have a number of opportunities for the qualified professionals who are self-starters, trustworthy, and are teachable. We made it our mission to provide our clients with the most relevant hardware and innovation to process electronic payments at the lowest possible cost to the business owner. Our mission has always been to educate, collaborate, and save business money. Full disclosure, Creative Venture Group makes it point to be transparent in every facet of the organization. If you have a personal vision of what success is and what aligns yourself with a team of visionary professionals like yourself, then send us your resume. We are aggressively building a cohesive and next level team to do what we're searching for, the next rising stars to join our Creative Venture Group family. Some of your responsibilities in this particular role will be an advocate for business owners to save money on something so vital to their business, the ability to process credit and debit cards. Follow all sales processes and be teachable. Work with the national sales managers as they lead you through the quote and deal signing process. A huge team is available every step of the way. Network within the community. Some of your qualifications will be if you're looking for an amazing opportunity to learn from a team of successful people from all over. Your search ends here. Self-motivated, positive outlook, excited individuals. Any level of sales experience accepted. We provide world-class training prior to going out on sales calls, as well as optional skills training. We're looking for those with great positive thinking, good communication skills with integrity, and that they want to make a difference in their community one business at a time. Technicalities. Sales representatives commission-based position with bonuses and monthly residual income. The earnings potential is endless and up to everyone. You truly do get out what you put into this position. We have bonuses on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis ranging from 250 gift cards up to customer business attire. 60K to 85K earned yearly with top performers making well over 100K. You decide the hours you work, both times and how many. Travel expenses compensated if you choose to travel, but is not required. Advancements opportunities to territory manager and outside sales manager, as well as other career paths within the organization. We only promote from within. This job can be full-time, part-time. It is fully remote. It pays up to $110,000 per year. Some of the benefits include flexible schedule, mileage reimbursement, travel reimbursement. The schedule can be day shifts, no nights, Monday to Friday, with some supplemental pay such as bonus pay, commission pay, monthly bonus, and sign-on bonus. And license and certification. If you have a driver's license, that is preferred. So if you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads right here on this channel. And all you have to do to keep up is first hit that like button because it helps us with the YouTube algorithm to find people just like you looking for the best remote work from home job that's available for them. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell because you'll be among the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land a Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all three of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below, so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.